Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I just want to show you some dried results. This is the swipe we did. I've just put a coat of varnish on it. It's really cool, really pretty colors, pretty lacing all over the place, lots of metallic on it. Very cool painting. I'm just going to put that to the side so the varnish can dry. And then this was the other swipe, and I've also put a coat of varnish on this one. So yeah, they both turned out really very cool. Just put that aside so the varnish can dry. Right, here is the canvas for today. It's quite a big one. It's 40 by 30 centimeters. And I'm going to, I wonder, you know what, I'm going to fold 2 cups. I'm just going to layer colors into 2 cups. And then we'll sort of do a pour. And then after the pour, I will swipe over it, and then we'll do a chameleon. We'll put some chameleon cells on it. So just layering random colors into these 2 cups. It is very hot. We again have a heat wave. This is the second heat wave this summer, so I don't know what's going on, but it's been hot like the whole of last week, and it's said to be hot the whole of next week still, so I don't know when this heat is going to pass. It is definitely time to mix paints again. Oh, come on. What else? So I do have my fan on in the background because very hot. And this caravan, of course, is very stuffy. I wonder, I should just put some gold, just a little. Yeah, this caravan is very hot and stuffy in here, so if I don't put the fan on, I won't be able to breathe in here. Right, what else? I think some of that. And some of that. Okay, that is surely enough paint. So I'm just going to put some gloves on. Now, it really doesn't matter how we pour this paint out, because we're going to swipe over it and we're going to do chameleon cells over it. So it doesn't matter. And might as well get all the paint out. Right, and I'm just going to cover the canvas with this paint. Okay, and over, and over. And over, and last corner, and over. Okay, alright, so I'm going to get some paper towel to swipe with, and we're going to just take some white paint and we're going to swipe with it. So just put that over the top like that. Okay, put the paper towel in and swipe. Okay, and one more. Okay, that's that. I'll just get that off the top. It should be fine. Okay, now all we do is we just take a, oh goodness, just take a little container, any old container would do, and get my silicone. This is the silicone I use. It's a treadmill belt oil, 100% silicone oil, and I buy this off Amazon. Just put a little of that in there. You don't need a lot. And then I'm going to use, if I can find it, my old toothpick, just a toothpick. And all you do is you dip the toothpick into the silicone and you dot. Now, you don't dot hard. You don't want to press the toothpick all the way down through the canvas. I need to rethink something. I can't stand. My back is sore. Let me move some stuff around and sit down. Hold on. well, that's that. So now I'm going to leave this for about, I don't know, 5-10 minutes and see if it develops any further, and then I'll be back to give you a close-up. Okay, it's been a couple of minutes. I don't think it's going to develop any more, but look at that. Isn't it cool? So let me bring you down. Look how cool it is. Now you can, of course, dot them closer together so that they join. Sometimes they grow bigger, other times not. I think it depends how thick your paint is. But I think this is really pretty. Quite a lot of the color has come through from underneath. A lot of those cells have different colors in. I think it's very, very cool. Very different. I mean, look at that. It's cool. I like it. I actually really do like it. So everybody, thank you very much for joining me today as I created this painting. To be honest, I wasn't sure if I was going to come and do a painting today, because today, a week ago, last Saturday, my mother passed away in South Africa, and so it's obviously been a very tough week for me, and not being able to go home, not being able to see her just before she passed. You know, it's really been a tough week for me, but as most of you would know, my happy place is here in my caravan creating paintings. This is what I enjoy doing, and it keeps my mind busy, it relaxes me, and it's my escape, I guess, from reality, even if it's just for half an hour or whatever. I come into my caravan and I create a nice painting, and I just thought, you know what, let me come and do a painting. Let me just get my mind off of the reality of the fact that my mother is gone. Nothing's going to take away the pain. Nothing's going to just make me feel better all of a sudden. But yeah, I just anyway, so yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave me a comment. Tell me what you think of this painting. Tell me what you think of this technique. Would you like to see more of these paintings, or any other technique that you would like to see more videos of? And that's it, everyone. I'll be back for another painting shortly. If you haven't subscribed, please do, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss my videos. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one, everyone. Bye.